Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing unlimited titles, a tool that claims to be an AI blog title generator that helps create SEO titles without any user input. So the idea here is that they have an AI to create new titles in different categories. And you don't need to write anything. You just click on generate and they will create a new title for you. And you just adjust it to your new blog posts. So the idea here is that having that tool, you can do unlimited SEO title spins that will help to come up with a new SEO title that will make your blog rank faster. For $29, and already they have positive reviews, 5 on AppSumo. I think it's a good deal. So let's take a look at the tool. So how it works, I even don't need to log in to show you the tool. You're gonna select one of the different categories that they have. And here, for us, they have a demo category that is marketing. But on the full tool, have AI and machine learning, marketing plus ads, business consulting, cookings and recipe, health and fitness, fashion, UI design, real estate, spirituality, sustainability, crypto, and beauty. And more coming soon. More coming soon. So you are gonna get all those SEO generator spin-off titles getting the lifetime deal. And how you use the tool is pretty simple. Just click on generate. The tool will create a new blog title in that category, marketing. So if you need to create on another one, just click on the category that you need, for instance, cookings and recipes. So 11 ways to increase your lead generation, 7 steps for creating a marketing campaign. Oh, I don't like that one, so generate again. And you get another one, how to make social media marketers. Money. So no, more, generate. How to get your unbound convert funnel data into a Weber. More, generate. The modern marketing guide to cult addiction. How loyal are your customers? Generate. 12 amazing copywriting tips, so etc, etc, etc. You're gonna come up with different titles that will help you to rank on Google with those AI generated blog titles. So it's a blog title generators, and you get unlimited spins with the AppSumo lifetime deal for only $29. I just have added the best link on the descriptions where you're gonna get the best price for that tool, and also you can check out more information that you can only see on the landing page. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.